Hello friends, today I'm doing another unboxing, and this one is Adidas sneakers from Adidas. So package arrived and it is in this box right here. So I take it out from the boxy. Let's open them. I've got these sneakers from Adidas and they are Alphabounce Beyond in size UK 7. So let's open them. Ta-da! So here we are. The new sneakers. They were on sale for, they have nice packaging paper. Here are the sneakers. This fall out. So this is the tag, and these ones are nice sneakers. They are made from this nice material, which is not leather, but it's like mesh material, and here they are some different mesh kind of. Here we have some three stripes, and this kind of reminds me of Jeezys, like sock type. They don't have separate tongue, but they are all here all together. Here we have something that it's easier to take them off. And on the sides they have this plastic structure, and here it says Adidas, and here they have nice and interesting design. As you can see, this part of sole is sticking out, which gives you more support. Okay. And here we have Adidas sign too. So they seems good quality. And this part is made from the tire material. I mean the gum that tires are made from. So it's supposed to be really good sticking to asphalt and treadmill, and it's called Continental. It doesn't smell, that's good. Adidas Bounce, they have nice inserts inside that says Bounce, and I really like them. Let's try them. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and I will do another unboxing of sneakers, and so you can check out my other videos. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.